12 morning. Monday. Today is 26th. Tuesday 27th. Nija, how is your health?
So better now.
Achha. Take care, huh?
Yes, sir.
Don't neglect health. First you take that properly, then concentrate on the studies.
Yes, sir.
Friday, 20, Saturday, 41, Sunday, 1. First test का लिख लो target. Test on measurement, scalars vector, circular motion, rotational motion. This is your test. Hello? Test topic is measurement, scalars vector, circular motion, rotational motion. 26th. Whatever taught in class, practice 2 times. Here numericals from notes. Numericals which I have given 1 to 5. Here we'll be doing MCQ 1 to 20. This is I will be doing in class. Homework 21 to 40. This is I will be doing homework 21 to 40 for you. Here 41 to 60. Just check how many sums are there. Total MCQs are 54 in the classwork. So this is still 54 only. Here doubt solving of all. Doubt solving. This I will do as a classwork. Your homework will be 50. This is still 54. 55 to that's 72. ये पूरा. Here I'm not giving anything. Revise because so many chapters are together. Revise all test chapters. That means measurement, scalars vector, circular, rotational motion. So by this 1st August, I will complete rotational motion. Anybody is having exam में wave theory of light in college exam? Like this chapter I started because college में था exam. Anybody is having 2nd chapter also in exam?
No, sir.
Huh? 2nd chapter you have?
No.
Okay. Because then I will start with EMI and AC. If you don't have that 2nd chapter, which is mechanical property of fluid. नहीं है ना? ठीक है.
No.
ठीक है. Because वो electrostatic magnetism पूरा मुझे एक बार complete करना है. So just copy this much. Return.
Done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow there is Tuesday, na? Tomorrow. So you have 9 to 10 extra lecture evening. Last class we did till velocity of body rolling down is given by, if you remember, velocity is root of 2gh 1 plus k square upon r square. Are you remembering this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will do new derivation. Today we'll complete this chapter. Acceleration of body when it rolls down inclined plane. Acceleration of body when it rolls down inclined plane. Vaishnavi, what is name of this chapter?
Rotational dynamics.
What is moment of inertia formula for particle?
Summation of mi ri square.
Rotational kinetic energy formula?
Half of I omega square.
Torque formula?
I alpha.
Angular momentum?
I omega.
Okay. So body is rolling down and coming to the ground. We want to find what is acceleration when it reaches here. Initially it is at rest. Consider a rigid body at rest, rigid body at rest at height h above an inclined plane. Let it rolls down and reaches at bottom. Rolls down and reaches at bottom. After traveling distance s. So we know v square is u square plus 2s from kinematics. U is 0 plus 2as. Draw diagram and complete till this. If you have written, please guide her.
Done, sir.
Okay. Karan Bora,
Yes, sir.
where you had been? Kandivali?
No, sir. I'd been to Agatpur.
अच्छा, resort.
Yes, sir.
कौन सा मानस?
नहीं सर, उसके सामने है विवांत करके.
अच्छा, वो अंदर स्विमिंग पूल है जिसमें वही वाला?
यस सर.
मतलब हर एक बंगलों के साथ स्विमिंग पूल भी दिया है ना लोग ने अंदर, वही है?
No, not that.
अच्छा, but how was the climate?
Sir, it was very good.
I have to learn from you to enjoy the life. Because you manage the things very well. I think after every 2 months you take that change, ना?
Yes, sir.
अरे बहुत सही काम कर रहे हैं. Since चलो v square, if you recollect, we got 2gh upon 1 plus k square by r square. U is 0. 2a. S is h upon sine theta, because sine theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse.
Yes, sir.
So 2h from both sides we can cancel. So we get a equals to g sine theta upon 1 plus k square by r square. This is the answer. Right. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Examples of law of conservation of momentum. Examples of law of conservation of momentum. What is law of conservation of momentum? When external torque acting force नहीं torque. When external torque acting on a rigid body is 0, then total angular momentum is always conserved, ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. मतलब I omega constant है ना?
Yes, sir.
If I omega constant means what is relation between I and omega? Is it inverse?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So when I increase I, omega will decrease and vice versa.
Yes, sir.
To decrease I should bring the particles closer to the axis of rotation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Have you heard about bullet dancer? Sorry, ballet dancers?
Yes,
Bullet
sir.
नहीं, ballet dancers. Yes. How they dance? Like Ritik? ये लोग क्या ऋतिक जैसा डांस करते हैं? ना वो वाला डांस?
No, sir.
No, sir.
They dance on toe, ना?
Yes, sir.
कितना इजी लगता है ना देखने को. So when they are dancing on the toes, when they want to spin, तो लोग अपना बॉडी को पूरा नजदीक ले लेते हैं ना, ऐसा हाथ बीत पूरा, and then they start spinning, correct? पहला
Yes,
hands
sir.
outstretched. So when they bring their hands closer to the body, I is decreased or increased. See, my both hands are outstretched. That means my masses are away from the axis of rotation. When I bring them closer, 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 closer to my chest, then I have
Sir, I
decreased I.
decreases,
So what will be omega?
increases.
So that means they
Increase.
can spin faster now like this
Yes, sir.
by law of conservation of angular momentum. So first example, right? When a ballet dancer, when a ballet dancer brings her hand closer to the body, then by decreasing moment of inertia, they can spin faster. They can spin faster. First one wrote.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, have you seen a person diving in the water, swimming pool from the top?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
When they dive, will they keep their hand and legs outstretched?
Yes, sir.
मतलब हाथ ऊपर कर देना पहले ऐसा outstretched. But when they jump in air from this platform above, then they will fold their hand na? So that they fall in the water.
Yes, sir.
By making more somersaults like this.
Yes, sir.
So when they bring the body closer, what they do? They increase I or they decrease I?
Decrease
when they
I.
Decrease
decrease I. When they decrease I, then omega will increase na?
Yes, sir.
To decrease I, उनके पास हथौड़ा है कि अपने को मार मार के पीछे कर लेते हैं. Without any torque they did na this.
Yes.
So when a swimmer dives in air, he brings body closer and hence by decreasing moment of inertia can perform somersault. स्पेलिंग क्या है somersault का? ये SUMMER शायद ना. Can perform somersault in air for longer period. मतलब स्पीड में घूमेगा for longer period. बट आप ज्यादा तक घूम सकता है. Yes, done till 2 example. Tell me, then I will explain 3 cases or formula for rolling kinetic energy of ring, disc, solid, sphere.
Done, sir.
Okay. Rolling kinetic energy for rigid bodies. तीन ही बॉडी बाहर करेंगे हम लोग. One is ring, other will be solid sphere, and then ring, disk, and solid sphere. I would prefer that you should remember that formula, frequently asked. For ring, can you tell what is I? Is it mr square?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I formula means mk square for any bodies equal to mr square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
K square will be r square. Now our formula for rolling kinetic energy is half mv square 1 plus k square upon r square. So this will be half mv square 1 plus r square upon r square. Half mv square 1 plus 1. Therefore half mv square into 2 equal to mv square. So rolling kinetic energy for ring is mv square. Directly I will use this formula in the exam. Right, first case.
Done, sir.
Okay. Second one, this. I is mr square by 2. So m k square is mr square by 2. K square is r square by 2. So rolling kinetic energy E is half mv square 1 plus k square by r square. So it will be half mv square 1 plus r square by 2 upon r square. Half mv square 3 by 2. E will become 3 by 4 mv square. So
Done, sir.
third one, rolling solid sphere now. Solid sphere. For solid sphere, I is 2 by 5 mr square. So mk square is 2 by 5 mr square. K square is equals to 2 by 5 r square. So rolling kinetic energy, comma, E equal to half mv square 1 plus k square, which is 2 by 5 r square upon r square. Half mv square 5 plus 2 7 upon 5 E equal to 7 by 10 mv square. This is rolling kinetic energy of disk of solid sphere. Done?
Yes, sir.
See, this chapter is partly they have included circular motion also at the start, which we have done already in 11. Do you know what is circular motion? You all know what is circular motion? Yes. What is circular motion, you know?
Sir, object moving along the circumference.
Motion along circumference of circle is called as circular motion. What is uniform circular motion then? Uniform circular motion. What is uniform circular motion? Motion along circumference of circle with constant linear speed or constant angular velocity. Constant linear speed or constant angular velocity is called as uniform circular motion. Write this much, two things. This all I have given you in the notes earlier. Written?
Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah. That's why I gave test of circular motion also on Sunday, so that you revise this chapter.
Sir, done.
Okay. वो आ गया शायद ना पांडे ने आईटी से अच्छा 212 ओके ठीक है अच्छा 213 में आ गया और भी 212 वाला पेंडिंग है ना अच्छा ये 213 वाला अपन वापस रखते हैं 215 में ठीक है
Done, sir.
Okay. Do you know this derivation? Show that V bar equal to omega bar cross R bar. This wala you know. I told for any circular motion, always see. Suppose this is anti-clockwise sense of rotation. This is d theta bar. This is R bar. Displacement is inward. So for inward displacement, R and d theta should have sense of rotation in clock or in anti. Any vector, if it is cross product of two vectors, then for inward, that cross product should give you sense of rotation clock or anti.
Anti.
No, inward के लिए clock चाहिए, outward के लिए anti होगा. तो d थीटा से फिंगर अगर r के पास घुमाऊं तो एंटी होएगा क्या क्लॉक होगा? If I rotate my finger, curled finger from d theta towards r, is it coming clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise. तो हमारा inward आ गया ना आंसर for d theta cross r1. Now this is d theta anti-clockwise, but particle is here, so this will be r bar. Now displacement is coming outward, ds bar is outward. Now what should be sense of rotation, clock or anti?
Anti.
Anti.
So d theta to r, if I move my finger, is it coming anti?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So whether it is clockwise motion or anti-clockwise, now clockwise also you check. D theta is inward. This is radius vector r bar. This is moving inward displacement. Tell me how to rotate the finger. Clock. So it should be again d theta to r.
Yes.
So whether it is clockwise circular motion or anti-clockwise circular motion, always we have d theta cross r bar. So I'm starting like this. See, consider a particle performing circular motion along circumference of circle with center O, radius r bar, with angular velocity omega bar. Because it is anti-clockwise, So vectorial direction will be d theta bar upward. Let P be the position at start and Q be the position at any time dt second. Let ds bar, d theta bar be the linear and angular displacement. We know that ds bar is d theta bar cross r bar. Therefore, ds bar upon dt is d theta bar cross r bar upon dt. But ds bar upon dt equals to velocity v bar. D theta bar upon dt equal to angular velocity omega bar. Therefore, v bar will be omega bar cross r bar. So for circular motion, always v bar equal to omega bar cross r bar. Okay, followed?
Yes, sir.
Just draw the diagram. Consider a particle performing circular motion along circumference of circle with center O, comma radius r, comma angular velocity omega bar. First draw the diagram, then copy this. It is written velocity v bar tha, omega bar tha.
Yes, sir.
Let P be the position at start. Let P be the position at start. That is t equal to 0. Let P be the position at start. That is t equal to 0. And Q be position after t second. And T be position after t second. Let d s bar comma d theta bar be linear and angular displacement. Linear and angular displacement in time t second. Then you can copy from this till last line. Now, magnitude of V bar will be magnitude of omega bar cross R bar. So it will be V is omega R sine theta. Since omega bar comma R bar are perpendicular, therefore theta equals to 90 degree. Therefore V equal to R omega. Till this you complete.
Done, sir.
Then you all know what is acceleration formula, centripetal minus omega square R bar. That formula you are knowing from the last year revision circular motion. That derivation is not there this time in 12th. Definition of centripetal force, centrifugal force, distinguish. I have already done for you all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Derive expression for safe speed on horizontal curved road. What is formula for safe speed on horizontal curved road? Remembering? Because they have included this in 12th. Consider a vehicle of mass m moving with velocity v on a road having radius of curvature small r. The necessary centripetal force is provided by frictional force. Right till this?
Sir, done.
Therefore, centripetal force should be less than equal to frictional force. That means m v square by r should be less than equal to mu mg. M cancel. V square is less than equal to mu rg. So V is less than equal to root of mu rg. So maximum value of V can be equal to root mu rg. मतलब इससे ज्यादा नहीं चलेगा, इससे कम चलेगा. This is maximum safe speed.
Done, sir.
What is formula for safe speed on banked road?
Sir, friction not present.
Friction not present, only it is banked.
Rg tan theta, root of Rg tan.
Correct. So this derivation also please practice. Already I have done. With friction, how much?
Mu, the root of mu plus tan
Root
theta
of Rg mu s plus tan
tan
theta
theta
upon 1
1
minus
minus mu tan.
mu s tan theta. Yes. Then do you know what is conical simple pendulum?
Yes, sir.
Vertical circular motion. Vertical
Yes.
circular motion, that also have done, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. मतलब ये जो बोल रहा हूँ, that is for 12th. Or you can refer textbook and that much you re-practice from 11th. अभी एक और. Safe speed in death well. So if this is death well of radius r, a person is performing horizontal circular motion, then forces acting on the body will be its weight mg, static friction ms, normal reaction n, and centrifugal force m v square by r. So can I say at equilibrium frictional force must balance weight and normal reaction must balance that centripetal force or provides necessary centripetal force, but Fs is mu s into n, mg equal to mu s mv square by r. So V, hello, V will be Rg upon mu s in root, correct?
Yes.
It should be minimum this much. इससे ज्यादा चलेगा, इससे कम नहीं चलेगा. Because इससे ज्यादा रहेगा, he will perform. इससे कम रहेगा, he will fall down. This completes our entire theory of rotational dynamics 12th standard. some part they are going to delete this year, 25% syllabus. So I will just go through it and chapter wise I will tell what not to prepare for 12th.
So means from board they are going to reduce.
From board, yes.
Boards and CET or only boards?
No, only boards, only boards. So whenever you are preparing at the end before board exam, then don't skip those topics. Now don't memorize that. Done?
Done, sir.
Textbook you have in front of you? You all have textbook with you?
No, sir.
Can you get it within 2 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Just get it. If you can just see. So MCQ of textbook. Page number 23. First one.
Yes, sir.
It's given when seen from below, the blade of ceiling fan are revolving in anti-clockwise direction. Then what is correct statement? Angular velocity will be where? Upward, na? Hello? Angular velocity will be always upward or
Yes.
anti-clockwise, but angular acceleration is along omega bar if omega is increasing, but opposite if omega bar is decreasing. What they're telling, omega is increasing or decreasing? Yes, omega is increasing or decreasing? देखो लिखा है ना, speed is decreasing.
Decreasing, sir.
So angular velocity will be upward, angular acceleration will be downward. Option A. Done first one. Second C. A particle of mass 1 kg tied to the string of 1.2 meter long, performing vertical circular motion. Minimum speed of the particle is 5 consider following statement. If minimum speed is 5, check the following statement. What should be minimum speed at the bottom as per our formula? Is it root 5 GR?
Yes.
Root 5 GR means 5 into 10 into 1.2. That means root of 60. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Root 60 is definitely greater than 5. So P is incorrect. Correct? P is incorrect, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because they're telling maximum speed is 5 root 5. Maximum there is no guarantee. Minimum there is guarantee. Q. What is T maximum minus T minimum? Every time tension ka difference is 6 mg or not? Hello? Tension difference is every time 6 mg.
Yes.
So it is 60 Newton means correct. That means statement B is correct. Statement B is correct. Okay, done. Second one done.
Yes.
Third. Select correct statement about the expression of moment of inertia of the object and sum of its distance. Different objects have different expression for their moment of inertia. Different object must have different expression. Not correct ना? दो object का same भी तो रह सकता है. Like disk and solid cylinder same है ना?
Yes, sir.
They are telling must have different. No, can have same. Rotating when rotating about central axis, hollow circular cone. ये textbook से बाहर करना है. Hollow circular cone has moment of inertia half mr square, same as disk. Even disk has same mr square by 2. So this is correct option. So today we stop here. We have completed entire theory. Next class I will start with MCQ as per the planner. Tomorrow extra lecture 9 to 10 evening.
Okay, sir.
Yes, that's all. Let's meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye. Take care. Bye.